Dozens of landowners now pushing back after a New Jersey power company sued them to access their properties. It's part of the Public Service Enterprise Group's proposal to build miles of power lines across Baltimore, Carroll, and Frederick counties. WMAR 2 News' Blair Sable brings us up to date.
This land means something to us. Our legacy means something to us. And folks that are willing to stand up and stand together to protect what we've all worked so hard for just warms my heart. I just got served.
It's a battle that landowner Joanne Frederick and more than 100 others have been fighting since last summer. A clash over a proposed power line that's now playing out in federal court. It began when PSEG sought a judge's order last month after owners refused to grant permission to conduct environmental surveys on their land. Over the last 2 weeks, Frederick and more than 50 other landowners have responded, filing motions to dismiss the suit outright, arguing the company cannot invoke eminent domain and federal court is the wrong jurisdiction.
This is really a state matter. It's something that is currently before the Public Service Commission, and there's a whole process in place for dealing with this. And so to give access to this before they've demonstrated that this is even the right route or whether the project should even happen at all seems very premature.
John Bissett is the executive director of the youth camp River Valley Ranch. The project would take over 17 acres on their Carroll County property.
It's been confusing to figure out how to handle this or how to even stand up for our own rights. It's been disconcerting.
That's the running theme in their efforts to take on the billion-dollar company, including how long landowners had to respond or risk default judgment in the company's favor.
The entire thing lacks humanity, quite frankly.
Despite the odds, they've continued to push back. Stop MPRP has also raised about $35,000 to fund their legal defense.
We're in this together, and it is wrong on so many levels. That's what keeps me in the fight, is the sense of justice, is the sense of what's right.
PSEG has declined to comment, citing the pending litigation, and plans to respond through court filings. Blair Sable, WMAR 2 News.